Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a strawberry cheesecake. Firstly, wrap the tin base in cling film. Now add 150 grams of melted butter into 300 grams of crushed biscuits. Mix it well. Put the mixture in the tin and then put it in the fridge. Now add 2 tubs of cream cheese to your mixer. Mix it well. Now add 150 grams of melted white chocolate. Then add 2 teaspoons of strawberry essence. And add the food coloring to your desired shade. Then add 300 ml of double cream. Mix it until it's thick and creamy. Add the mixture to the tin and spread it evenly. Now slice the strawberries and decorate however you like. After the cheesecake is ready, store it in the fridge for at least 2 hours before serving. I really hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. I upload every week, so please subscribe for more. Bye!